Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Create one personal workspace and sign in with your email address. Set a clean dashboard first to orient your daily workflow and priorities. Add 3 starter pages: inbox, dashboard, and archive to begin capturing, planning, and storing. Use the inbox for quick capture of ideas and tasks at any time. Use the archive for completed projects and reference materials that you rarely edit. Enable sync so your pages stay updated across phone, tablet, and desktop devices automatically. Make a reusable template for projects that includes sections and checklists for consistent execution. Use one database for tasks and add properties like due date, priority, and status to filter work. Create views for today, upcoming, and backlog to focus on immediate work and planning. Organize pages using a 3-level hierarchy to keep your structure simple and navigable. Duplicate templates as needed to save time and maintain consistent formatting across similar projects. Review your inbox daily and move items promptly into projects or tasks to keep capture current. Use a weekly review on the dashboard to check progress and update project status and priority. Export key pages as Markdown or PDF periodically to keep local backups and resist accidental loss. Use keyboard shortcuts, templates, and relation properties to speed recurring work and reduce friction. Keep your setup lean by archiving inactive pages and consolidating similar data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.